pay for this, but it's very expensive. Living costs in the city, especially the capital city, is very expensive. So we try to go home when we have free time.
Hello.
You see, they carry the suitcase.
Gutin. Tawagin natin yung ano.
Punta na kayo dun sa tulay, tawid na.
So buffalo will plow the field. We ever see a buffalo and human work together. So if you want a buffalo work for us, when the buffalo 2 years old, we need to pull the rope through his nose, and then we can take the spinning cross. If we tie the ropes into his neck, he's very strong and not follow the order. And if we pull the rope through the nose, then it's very easy. So when we do a training course, we can tell buffalo to go straight, turn left, turn right, on foot. Maybe we wait for 2 more tourists in the restroom. So
Sundan natin yung
We running very fast. Up and down, mountain, very fast. We go to the tunnel. We build a tunnel system. The tunnel in the gate is small. And Vietnamese people, we can jump inside. But your husband cannot. Okay? So that in Vietnam people, we have a tough training. We have a tough training fight.
Nakabidyo?
Country. And in the middle, it's like the letter Kong. It means the big marriage contribution to the country. The 4 letters on the top of the gate means close the north door. Close the north door is close the border. It is inside to protect us.
This one is still need? Pungkan?
okay. Upper ano lang ni.
Ayan.
Not so good, but so sorry.
Kailangan ng ng palda para hindi makita ang tuhod.
You can see 2 unicorn here. Yeah. In Vietnamese, there are 4 holy animals. The first one is the dragon. Dragon represents for power and the king. The phoenix is mean the beauty and the queen. A unicorn, not a horse, but a lion or a small dog, and it like. After that, take picture when we go this way.
Dito daw. Orang mas.
Kasi dapat lunch. Ini naman gusto niya yung taong pabalik.
Inside here. Okay? So, man, now please. Now, we keep going. Three time for you. Inside. Time to go. Vietnamese go more very small. Please be careful. You see, time is to go. Vietnamese go more very small.
That's why he called the red name the kiss. So this is 5 minutes. And we can see many characters here. This is for a poem, or write something about the kiss. And just one is our old lecture of the past, similar. And then go to the counter.
Wow, salad.
If we need the restroom, we go to the corner over there. They make the restroom over there.
Ano bang meron? Pansit. Kamote. Ano kinuha mo? Lechon. Ano meron dyan? Squid. Diretso lang. Akyat na kaagad tayo. Mamaya na tayo magpicture. Akyat kaagad tayo.
Mamaya pagod na siguro tama na, ang dami na.
Mira, en verano, tenemos el jardín de flor de loto. Este jardín de flor de loto, pero solo tenemos flor de loto en verano, julio y agosto, cuando hace tanto calor. Y aquí también hay hotel, aquí, dentro. Sí, hotel. Aquí mira, la habitación. Pero aquí está aburrido, no hay nada. La izquierda, la derecha. Hay dos picos.
Ate dito
El pico a la izquierda.
Ay, sa bagay, naglakad din tayo.
Lakad tayo pababa.
Pero hindi pa akyat.
Si quieren, le voy a subir. Es que me aburro de este paisaje. Me aburro mucho. Ya he subido 1000 veces. Ya me imagino.
Pinakuna yung higa. Ito ba yung cave? Dong Huang Tiger Cave.
Halika. Ay, ano sa...
Uy, ako lang hintay ko picture.
Et même, pour les gens qui l'écoutaient, l'effet de bouche.
Start na.
Kaya pa?
Hindi anong connection ng live.
Dapat holiday ngayon, nagpapahinga tayo. Bakit ganito ang ginagawa natin sa sarili natin? Ha?
Sakit yung katawan.
Ano, kaya mo pa? Nasa 1.8 pa lang tayo. Kung hanapin natin si King Kong.
Nasabit. Pangit yun doon may mga bahayan. Ito okay lang yun. Hindi, ito yung maganda. Ay, sorry ah. Ito yung maganda. Okay ba? Ano ba niya nito ba? Hal-hal. Lawit dila.
Hal-hal is life. Uy, malapit na tayo. Ayun pa. Ang aakyatin namin.
Guys, ang dami ko ng
Ayan.
problema, pero sa lahat ng problema, ito yung pinakamalaki.
Ayun pa, oh.
Ikaw nagamo na. Halika, maganda.
Diyos ko lang. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Halika na, halika na. Oo, wag na tayo mag-ano. Baka mahimatay. Kaya nga doon na tayo sa pinakataas. Diyan, balik na tayo.
Oh my goodness.
Yan, lên mình còn lên mình mệt cho mình không sợ ngã.